Solid waste is a solid-state waste or undesired items.
Plastic waste. Plastic waste is one of the world's most pressing human health and environmental concern. Plastic is the world's third largest trash source, with the total volume of plastic garbage increasing in lockstep with global population and per capita consumption growth. Malaysia has been the world's leading importer of plastic waste since 2017, reflecting global trends in both overall plastic waste creation and single-use plastic consumption.
Food waste typically takes place at retail and consumption stages in the food supply chain. There are several causes of solid waste, which includes lack of appropriate planning, over-prepared food, and over-merchandising in supermarket. The effect from solid waste are biodiversity loss, blue water footprint, and economic consequence.
C&D or construction and demolition waste is resulting from demolition of structures. Category with the highest cost of waste is constructing area, which has activities such as procurement of materials, transportation, and others. The highest reason of waste will derive from the on-site operations. In demolition, dust can act as a serious pollutant, contaminating natural spaces and potentially giving rise to health issues. Dust can both damage plants and even affect the diversity of ecosystems.
Industrial solid waste include industrial process waste and pollution control waste generated by manufacturing or industrial process that are not hazardous waste, such as coal ash and foundry waste. The causes are from unplanned industrial growth, use of outdated technologies, and inefficient waste disposal. From this, the effect will lead to wildlife extinction and global warming.
Water pollution occurs when chemicals contaminate water sources, rendering the water unfit for drinking, cooking, cleaning, swimming, and other uses.
The discharge or spillage of petroleum products is known as an oil spill. The causes of water pollution includes human error, transportation accident, and also storage issues. The effect of water pollution such as damage of aquatic life and economic losses. When the oil spills, oil industry lost a lot. Not just that, they need to responsible of the loss of the commodities and to conduct the rescue operations.
Sewage or wastewater. The waste from households, factories, or agricultural land gets discharged into rivers or lakes. This waste can either be in the form of liquid waste, garbage, or sewage. The harmful chemicals oozing out of this waste can damage aquatic life.
Radioactive waste is another source of water pollution. There have been instances of spillage over oceans when ships hit glaciers or coral reef and end up releasing chemicals on waterways and in the atmosphere. It affects humans to have nausea, hair loss, diarrhea, hemorrhage, and many more, even death. It also causes DNA damage and raises the risk of cancer, particularly in young children and fetus.
Marine dumping is defined as the deliberate disposal at sea of waste or other matter from vessel, aircraft, platform, or other man-made structure, as well as the deliberate disposal of this vessel or platform themselves. The causes are from carelessness in terms of sewer and industrial waste dumping, direct dumping of waste material, and lack of strict regulation and observation. The effect will adverse to human health and also lead to poor oceanic scenery.
One of the solutions for plastic waste is we can recycle everything that we use.
There are certain solutions for food waste and water pollution, which are plan on what to buy and using high pressure jets to dislodge oil.
Solution for industrial solid waste is source control and proper treatment of industrial waste, and for marine dumping by reduced pollutant and waste and education and awareness creation.
Reducing the burden on waste management services is one of the solutions for C&D waste. Use a proper method of disposing the radioactive substances in order to avoid any harms.